Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install RHEL 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay, first we will download, then we will install. So first go to Red Hat official website, it is redhat.com. Then we have to click on Red Products, then you have to select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. But this navigation will take time, I will give you direct link. I will keep the link in the video description as well. So to download, we must have the Red Hat account. So register for Red Hat account. It is free to register. So I am logging with my account. Then provide the password of your Red Hat account. See, we have the latest version 10.1. But in this video I am going to download 9.7. In upcoming video I will show you how to do the same for 10.1 as well. Okay, so select 9.7. Then see, here we have the full installation image, additional images like boot ISO, KVM, etc. Okay, this video I am going to download this binary DVD. Its size is about 12.7 gigabytes. Click on download now. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 12.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel, how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on New or Machine and select New. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name RHEL 9.7. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder or location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path area of the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to download. See here, I have the 9.7 selected. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, OS version is Red Hat 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then come to hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to virtual hard disk size, I am giving 50 gigabytes. These are all based on availability. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings. If you are okay with all the settings, okay, the only option that I want to change is go to settings. Instead of this PST mouse, I am just giving USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.7. Hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, we are installing Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.7. See, the beginning installation is graded. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So first select the installation destination. I am okay with the default, so click on done. Then root password. I don't want to lock this root account, so provide the password. Confirm the same. Then select done. Then user creation. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. This is the username. Make this user as administrator. Then set the password for this user. Then click on done. Software selection. See, by default it has selected server with GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this one. If you want minimal install, select minimal. Workstation, customize, custom operating system or virtual host, whatever you want you can select. In this video I am going to install server with GUI, and these are the additional softwares for the selected this base environment. Okay, whatever you want you can select, it is up to you. Then click on done. Like keyboard, time and date, etc. If you want, you can configure just clicking on them. Okay, I'm going with all defaults. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, once installation completes, then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password. Click on no thanks. See, system not registered. Okay, we will register now by using the commands. Close this one. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Go to preferences, unnamed, then select this checkbox custom font, increase the font size, select it, close it. Now verify the version mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed 9.7. Control it. The first step after connecting to Red Hat Enterprise Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update upset sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have received the same error. The system is not registered with an untitled server. So we have to register by running this subscription command, subscription manager command. So command is, let me show you the command. Open Firefox, that is the default browser that comes with RHEL. Copy this one, go to here, paste it. See, this is the command to register. Okay, copy this one up to here, paste it, then provide the email ID or registered. Provide the email that we have registered for to download RHCL 9.7. Okay, so I have given this one. Then username, then password. Okay, hyphen password. I'm hiding this one. See, successfully registered. Okay, now run this sudo dnf update and upgrade. See, this time we are not receiving any error. See, it is going to install 4 packages and upgrading 122 packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. And this is the download size. Okay, so this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.